Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah and that's the Mercedes GLC300 and that's one of the sexiest puddle lamps ever, right? And of course it's on both sides. Now what I'll switch on all the lights and show you the car once again from outside. I'll switch on the flashers as well. Alright, a question to all of you. Why do German cars have just one fog lamp at the rear? Okay, if you know the answer, put it down in the comment section below. Okay, now we'll go to our usual spot, and before that, okay, I have to show you how the cabin appears at night. Okay, the ambient lighting. Alright, so I'll switch off the GoPro for a minute, go to our usual spot and then switch it on. Alright, let's begin the real demonstration. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the low beam. That's the high beam. Let's drive. Thank you. Good headlights, nothing earth shattering, but not bad either. Good headlights. I'll show you the camera as well. Okay, so that's the reversing camera, and that's the front camera for you. Brilliant clarity, of course, brilliant clarity. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and do leave a comment. And did I say please hit that like button? If I said, I'll say it again. If I didn't, yeah, please do hit that like button, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.